Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it has been an extremely long time since the last time I shot a video, and yeah, we got a lot of catching up to do, guys. But in today's video, what we're going to be doing is I'm actually going to be installing a frontal wig on myself, and the wig is from Yolova hair. I actually said the name wrong a few times in the video, but I did get it together at the end of the video. It's not Yolova hair, it's Yolova hair. You guys definitely should check out this company. Oh wait, before we get too far into this video, you guys, I want you to go ahead and like, comment, subscribe if you are enjoying this video so far. I know we're probably only like 30 seconds into the video. And like this video if you guys want a life update, because it's coming, okay? A life update is coming. As y'all know, I always pretty much wear my hair in cornrows. If I'm not wearing cornrows, I'm wearing box braids. Those are my go-to styles, so that's really all. Wow. If y'all can't tell, I did move. So there's that. So it's a lot of noise. So y'all know my go-to styles are either cornrows or box braids, and I usually wear the cornrows under my wigs and stuff like that. So y'all know I got another wig. I'm ready to install it, but this one is a little bit different than what I usually wear. But this time, y'all, we got Kinky straight. So pretty much it matches my hair texture exactly, but we got it in 26 inches. And this is the hair company. This is from Yolova hair. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. They did send this hair to me for review. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you guys so y'all can see what it looks like. And this is what the wig looks like once you first open the box. It comes with this headband, and y'all pretty much know what this is for if y'all wear like lace wigs and stuff. Once you first install it, of course, you put this on the edge part of your wig so that it lays down and stays in place. So it comes with one of those, which is pretty cool actually, because I've never seen a wig that comes with this already. So you don't have to worry about like buying any or finding some or finding a scarf, because it's already in the packaging. And then it comes with the wig, and it comes with this cute dust bag that also says Yolova hair. What you'll also get inside the box is it comes with a pair of lashes, it comes with a wig cap, and it also comes with tweezers. So that's actually very beneficial, because most wigs don't come with tweezers, and they definitely don't come with this too. If you're like me, I'm always losing my tweezers, so that's pretty much a plus if the wig that I order comes with them. Y'all stop playing. It comes with tweezers, and these are like high quality tweezers too, so these are definitely the move. Let me go ahead and show you guys the wig. And like I said, I got it in a 26 inch. What's this? Kinky straight. Yeah, so this is the 26 inch Kinky straight. So when I flat iron it, I'm sure it's going to be more sleek. But lately I haven't really been feeling a whole sleek look. I've really been going for more of a natural, like something that matches my natural hair texture. Ooh, let me stop hitting this mic. So this is what it looks like. No type of really nothing done to it. This is just straight out the box. It really matches your hair, like it'll match your hair texture to a T, for real. So it's gonna look real when I finally install it. This technically looks like a blowout, so that's why I really pretty much got it, because I wanted it to be kind of puffy. I didn't want any of my hair to be kind of straight anymore. I just feel like that's not my vibe anymore. You know, as you grow, as you find yourself, as you find your look, you kind of see what you like. And I don't think I like straight hair for me right now. So I've been loving the whole kinky, curly, blowout type of look. I'm really excited to go ahead and install this. And honestly, the density of it, I do believe it's like 150, but because the hair is like kinky texture, it's already full, so it's already giving you that full look, even though it's like 26 inches long. So that's what I'm excited about. I can't wait to freaking style this. y'all, it's gonna be so cute. Let's see what this is looking like, y'all, because y'all know I gotta style it. It's giving Indian princess, okay? But I'm really just like loving the big hair type of look. So I'm gonna style this. I'm gonna bleach the knots. I'm going to pluck it with the tweezers that it came with, which is a plus. So I don't know how much I am gonna show you guys, but I am gonna go ahead and start customizing the wig now. And what I might do is just kind of carry my phone with me and bring my phone along with me and just kind of show a few updates to insert in the video as far as me like customizing the wig and stuff like that and installing it. So stay tuned for that, y'all. I'm excited to see the finish. Oh, sorry. If I'm looking down, it's because I'm looking at my phone. I don't have a viewfinder, so this is how I see myself. But yeah, I'm excited to see how it's gonna look when I finish it, y'all. It's just giving big hair, and I like that. I like big hair, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video off for now, and I'm gonna come back to you guys once I've started like customizing it, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys, so I am back. It is later, but I did go ahead and finish customizing this unit. So I bleached the knots, I did the lace a little bit more just to make it a little bit more thin around the hairline area. But you'll kind of get the full gist once you see me install it. But I did go ahead and match the lace part that's going on my head. I matched it with some concealer that is my shade. So let's just see what we have so far as the lace. So the color matches, that's good. Okay, cool. So the part and everything will look fine once I do it. But so far, I like the quality of this hair. It's soft, it's still full. All right, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do the line where I want the wig to be as far as my edges, and then let it dry, and we'll come back after that. I'm about to go ahead and install the wig now, and I can't do that on camera. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and install most of it, and then when I'm probably about 90% done, when it's time to tie it down, I will go ahead and show you guys that process. But y'all pretty much seen all the other processes. So now the part is to glue down the wig. And y'all, but I also I haven't hot combed the edges yet either, but we'll get there. We will get there. Placed the lace exactly where I want it to be. So this is what it's looking like so far. I haven't cut off all the excess lace, but I placed it. I am pretty satisfied with the placement and everything of the lace, but I do want to kind of let it set in place just a little bit more. I'm gonna just let it sit for a little bit just to hold it in place, because I do like exactly where it's placed. But so far I really do like the wig. I like the length of it, I like the thickness of it, because first of all, nobody want no thin hair, especially when it comes to having a wig more on the long side. I know normally when I order wigs from certain places, if you get a certain length, it's thin. But this one, it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel like it's too much hair. It still got thickness to it. It has length to it. And that's honestly perfect. So yeah, I'm satisfied. Okay, so I went ahead and cut off the lace And this is what we have so far. So pretty much the part looks pretty good. You can part it in multiple places, so that's cool. The part looks good. I am gonna do a little bit of baby hairs. I'm not too crazy about baby hairs, but I am gonna do a little bit of them. For the most part, I just have the lace laid down. And this is what it's giving right now. This is both sides. I haven't hot combed it yet either or styled it, but this is what it looks like installed. So it does look pretty good. Yeah, this is what it's given at the moment. So no complaints for sure. Okay, so I do want to let you guys know that I am going to be giving away a $50 gift card to one lucky subscriber. If you do want to go ahead and purchase a unit from this company, I do have $50 of that covered for you. So all you have to do to go ahead and get that is comment down below what you think about the wig. Comment down below what type of wig you would get from them as well. Comment down below if you are interested in that $50 gift card for your purchase. I got $50 covered for your girl because first of all, these wigs they're so cute. I like this texture. I'm like extremely ecstatic. So yeah, $50 for one lucky winner. But I do also have a coupon code for you guys as well. It'll be 15% off for anybody else who does want to go ahead and purchase a unit from them as well. I will be back shortly once I go ahead and finish styling this hair. I'm gonna do light curls, y'all. But yeah, this will go ahead and conclude this video. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now. So I'll come back to you guys shortly. All right guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. I did go ahead and add a few baby hairs to it as well. So this is what we got. I really like this hair. I did throw a few curls in it just to give it a little bit more of a uniform look. I do think next time I am gonna try to throw in like some braids or some plaits just to make it kind of look like a braid out type of situation. But this is what we have. I really like it. It holds a curl pretty well. It looks full, it's voluminous. I like that. So I am pretty much overall I am satisfied with this hair, this unit. I can see myself wearing it for a while. Let me give y'all a kind of close up of what the hair looks like. This is what it looks like from the side. So like I said before, I do have one $50 gift card for one lucky customer that does plan on purchasing a wig from Yolova Hair. All you have to do is comment below which unit you would purchase from them. I will have their website and all the links and details to this hair linked down below. And also I do have a coupon code for any other customer that does want to place an order with them as well, and you're going to be getting 15% off of your order, and the coupon code will also be listed down below. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love this hair. I'm excited to take pictures in it now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying till the end of this video. I didn't really give you guys much of an update, like a life update. So just let me know what you guys want to know. But when I say a lot has changed, a lot has changed. Like I said, I moved. I started a business. Just a lot of stuff has changed in my life. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did watch to the end of the video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye.